You can check out the recipe in the description down below, and while you're there, hit like and subscribe.
Hey babe, can you just grab the garlic for me please?
I hear garlic's a pretty fan favorite around here actually.
I think it's overrated.
Yeah, you? Can I ask why that is?
We can't put all the blame on Hannah.
Sorry about that.
There were 4 of us there packing the cruiser. In my defense, she is my wife now, and I'm pretty sure she's supposed to remember everything. Nevertheless, we forgot the chorizo, the bacon, the alcohol, the garlic. There were some other things as well. So we used half the charcuterie board instead. And we might have nicked a little bit of garlic butter from the steaks. Squeeze that out like a pimple. Nice work, Liam.
That could have gone a lot worse.
Really grateful Liam didn't call Buffalo while I was holding that.
Have to down the whole diced tomatoes.
It's so awful.
All the diced tomatoes.
With dinner sorted, it was time to grab a beer, kick back and have a yarn with the boys.
Hopefully it tastes as good as it
I don't work, I don't get paid.
It's Jim's first time ever having to like time off with annual leave, and we both got paid today, and he couldn't believe it. He's like, "Oh my god, a free $600!
This is the
wow!"
best.
And like Jan or something goes, "Well, don't all spend it at once."
Yeah, true.
But then he went and filled up at your wrong, so we pretty much did all spend it at once.
Oh,
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Expensive.
$3.50. It's more expensive than Melbourne's $2.10.
Thank you, mate. This is great.
Is it?
Yep.
You can really taste the garlic.
Now tell me, are
things to get the Ireland
Bolivian noodles better than Australian noodles?
We didn't try the Australian ones.
Yeah.
Ah, no, we tried them.
What?
In the farm.
Ah, yeah, we did. No, Bolivian are way better. That's sorry. Shot down.
Even after 4 months of carrying them in a plastic bag.
Oh.
So were they in like a little packet or just a plastic bag?
At first it was in a packet, but it's just spread it all out in my bag, so I put it all back in a plastic bag.
Oh yeah. It's good so far. Last night was a super clear night too, really nice. Hot until like the dingo walked past my swag, so I decided to close it.
Your puppy wasn't going to have a sleep at the bottom of your swag?
No, I decided it might be a good idea to close up the swag now.
They're so cute.
The forbidden puppy.
I know them to touch them, we don't, but I just look at them.
We didn't see any yesterday, but today they've just been everywhere to the point where I had to like watch out on the road because one of them just came out of nowhere earlier. So I didn't want to be that bloke on the news that ran over a dingo.
We had a whole pack come around the rig earlier.
We did.
We
It
had
was
a,
cool. They were having a bit of a play, like a bit of a tussle.
we left that bloody rubbish from the canopy.
Well, yeah, we didn't even think of it last
road.
night.
I'm like, fuck, didn't even think about it. I was
Did it fly onto the road? Did it fly onto the road?
No, they pulled it off the side of my car and dragged it across the road.
They did?
Yeah, not that road, like
Shit!
track
The
we had.
dingoes
It was
did.
literally just like hanging off the side of the car.
They're crafty. They're crafty buggers,
I
eh?
managed to get up on the car, pull it off, let it cook pretty hard, get it off, and I dragged it back.
But even the family that was staying next to us, they were cooking their dinner, and one of them just came along and stood up on the table, like jumped up on the table, and had 2 paws up in the barbecue
this morning,
and they chased it off, and I was like, they don't care.
that last night was
Crazy as fuck, eh?
Yeah, I know.
That's it.
So how's the YouTube and Instagram going so far?
Well, if they keep this face on there, it's fucking...
We've almost got 700,
By the way,
700 followers on YouTube.
Yeah, like, not our last video, but the video before has like 32,000 views.
Yeah. What was that of?
We just kind of did like a year review.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and just because, you know,
It's also not
people-
OnlyFans.
Well, that's how.
No, that
we've got
actually
an
earns us
OnlyFans.
money.
That's
Yeah.
that's okay. So that's the actual income source of it.
Only feet. Yeah.
Oh,
I was gonna say, you don't even have shoes now. You have no excuse.
Well, that's
the
why
dogs
she's,
are out.
that's why she's really upset about losing her
Fair,
spots. Now
it's
everyone's
like-
going to recognise
Dogs
those
are
feet
out,
now.
I've had a few times.
You wanted them back, you could probably buy them off eBay.
What do you
Someone's probably
Yeah, they're gonna
Yeah,
bidding starts at $1,700 or something like that.
That's per thong too.
Oh,
That's
you
not
don't
just
get the set.
as a set.
It's probably a light fee, anyways.
We hope you liked this video, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2 of our Fraser trip.